This is the standard, fairly new Vernier projectile launcher. It's a wonderful system, very easy to put together. I'm going to take you through step by step what you need to do. I've got the LabQuest that we've been using, from which we'll take the data and actually get the velocity set up, as well as the standard cable. Now, of course, to hook up the LabQuest 2, the first thing you do is don't drop it, but you pick it up and you stick in one of the digital channel inputs, the white connector. Then you're going to connect the other end of the connector to the interface lead. The launcher will not work if the LabQuest is in fact not hooked to it and not turned on. You turn the LabQuest 2 on with the power button. It then selects file sensors. It's telling me at the moment that the gate is unblocked. There's nothing in its way. It's ready to take data. When you hit play, then you take data. This launcher works actually by using compressed air, which connects through the side, simple screw connection. Only takes a second to actually do. And then you're ready to pump up the launcher so that it's ready to fly. You also get standard size steel balls to go with it that you place in the barrel, and you can see it dropping into the barrel. You actually take your finger and you push it all the way down in until it clicks, and then it doesn't go any further. The launcher also contains an angular measurement so that you can determine what angle you're launching at. Notice I can turn it down and the ball doesn't come out because it's actually clicked in place, so it doesn't fall out once it's in. Now at this point, you can use this knob to actually determine how far it goes, the range. What that basically does is gives you a stopping point from which you can no longer put any more air pressure within the system. You then pump it up and you've got a reading sitting here. And as you see, the needle goes up as I pump it up. I'll pump it up for a certain distance. And I'm up to just under 100 pounds per square inch sitting there. Then when I'm ready to actually launch, you go ahead and hit the play button so that it prepares to take data. It'll actually tell you what the launch speed coming out is as it goes. The nice thing about this is, of course, this can't be launched accidentally. You actually have to push both the arming button and the launching button simultaneously for it to go off. You, of course, would never in a classroom look down the barrel. That's a great way to produce pirates. But even so, you should always be wearing your safety goggles whenever you're using it. At this point, we're ready to fire. I'm going to turn it so it doesn't hit anything vital. I push the arm button. You notice nothing happens until I push the launch button, and there it goes. Simple as that. And then you're ready to launch it again by pumping again, and you can launch at different angles as many times as you want. The readout down here gives me the speed that it came out, the pulse time, etc.